Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their sound isn't working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So in this video, I will show you some solutions to fix the problem. Solution 1. Check notification. Turn allow notification and sounds on. For that, open Settings app. Find and tap on notification. On the next page, be sure the allows notifications and sounds switch are in green color. Solution 2. Change volume. Change the volume with the volume buttons or the slider in control center in any app you like. Solution 3. Turn off mute switch. When your iPhone sound not working, it is most probably that you turn the mute switch on but forget to turn it off. So firstly, you need to check whether your iPhone is in muted mode or not. If it shows in red line, it means that you need to turn it off. Solution 4. Turn off Bluetooth. Some users may have the habit of using wireless earphones like Bose Solo and listen to music. If you forget to disable Bluetooth, the sound will be transmitted to your earphones or other connected devices so that you can't hear any sound. Thus, if your Bluetooth is on, to turn it off, go to Settings app, click on Bluetooth, next turn off Bluetooth. Solution 5. Disable Do Not Disturb. When Do Not Disturb is on, you will see a little moon sign on the upper right corner of your iPhone screen and will not hear on any sounds on your iPhone. So you need to ensure that it's off. Open Control Center. Long press on focus mode. If Do Not Disturb is enabled, disable it. Solution 6. Reset all settings. For that, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down to bottom, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, select Reset all settings, enter your iPhone's passcode. In the pop-up, select Reset all settings. Again, select Reset all settings to confirm the process. Solution 8. Restart iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until you see the recovery mode screen. Solution 8. Update iOS. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap on Software Update. If any update is available, click on Update Now. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.